Hi, my name is Lamp. Some time ago, I released a video where I said that I was going to try to finish my first commercial game before the end of July. Well, that didn't quite work. As I'm making this video, the game isn't done yet, and I'm already 1 month late. But first of all, what is this game I'm talking about? It's called Just Another Tower Defense. Very original name, I know. As you can probably tell by the name, it is a tower defense game, and it is a mobile game, specifically for Android. Sorry, I don't have an iPhone, I'm poor. Please subscribe. I wanted to make this game because I think that tower defense games are fun, and also I always thought that they were the perfect type of game to play on mobile. There's plenty of alternative games of this genre. So why did I decide to make this? Well, first of all, I like to make games. Second, it's because all the tower defense games that I played usually have paid transactions. That isn't wrong. What's wrong to me is the fact that some levels are impossible or really hard to do without spending hard-earned cash on the game. So, my game will be completely free to play and not pay to win, and it won't have a shop. Maybe for skins at some point, but nothing that matters gameplay wise. It is a very average tower defense, that's why I called it this way. You just get waves of enemies, you place turrets, and you have to destroy them before they destroy your city. I thought of something that might spice the gameplay up a bit, but I haven't implemented it yet, so I haven't tested if it might be fun or not. I'm going to talk about it more in depth next episode. So you might ask, why didn't you finish it? Well, I'm gonna be honest, I'm lazy. Also, I had only about 2 weeks where I also worked on other stuff, so not that much time to work with. So what did I do in these 2 weeks? First, I fixed the UI. For some reason my monkey brain can't get it to work right. I worked on it a lot, and every time I get back to take a look at it, there's something wrong. Then I refactored the code I used to place the turrets, which was just a spaghetti mess. Now it's working better and it is a lot more readable. Do like me, keep your code clean, kids. Then I got to work on interstitial ads. I want them not to be too invasive, so I decided that one will appear on screen only if you've lost 5 times and if more than 5 minutes have passed since the last one was shown, which I hope won't be too annoying for the players. At this point I realized ads were not working properly. You can't see it, but in the Android build they were not showing up. I'm using Google Ads, they are much better than the Unity built-in option in my opinion, and from what I heard they pay a bit more, and turned out all I needed to do to make them work was to just update Unity. So if you're having the same problem I had, here's the solution. Then I got back to fix bugs. It looks like when I fix one, a new one appears out of thin air. And then I failed miserably trying to create a VFX of an explosion. Maybe I'll get back to this in the next episode. Then I started working on a menu that shows all the levels and lets the player choose which one to load. This menu shows the player a preview of the level, the name of the level, and if it is complete or not. This was pretty easy and I like the way it looks, even though it's pretty simple. But it's okay for now, maybe I'll update it later. Then I worked on a save system for the game. I always thought this would be pretty hard, but turns out it's actually pretty easy, and I finished it in a couple of hours. last thing I did was polishing a bit the graphics, and yeah, that's basically it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll try to release the game in October, hopefully. Anyway, I'll keep you posted. There should be a new episode on this whenever I get back to working on it and I've made enough progress worth sharing. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.